Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync Asana to Google Calendar. This integration allows you to visualize your Asana tasks and deadlines directly in your calendar, making it easier to manage your schedule and stay on top of project timelines. First, head over to the Asana web app by navigating to asana.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your projects listed in the sidebar on the left. Go ahead and open the specific project you want to sync with Google Calendar. This works on a per project basis, so you'll need to repeat this process for any additional projects you want to sync later. Now look at the top of your project page where you'll see the project name. Right next to it, there's a drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow to reveal a menu with several options for managing your project. From this menu, select Export or Sync. This is where Asana lets you connect your project data to other platforms. You'll see a few integration options appear, and what you want to click on is Google Calendar. When you select this, a pop window will appear displaying a unique calendar link specifically for this Asana project. This link is what bridges the two platforms together. Look for the full URL under the Google Calendar section and copy it. You can use the copy link button if it's available, or simply highlight and copy the entire link manually. With your link copied, it's time to switch over to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in a new tab or window. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a section called Other Calendars. Right next to it, there's a small plus sign. Click on that plus sign to add a new calendar source. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. What you're looking for here is from URL. Select that option, and Google Calendar will prompt you to enter a URL. This is where you'll paste that Asana calendar link you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste it into the URL field. Once the link is in place, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will now import your Asana project data. You'll see your synced Asana tasks appear under the Other Calendars section in your sidebar. By default, these tasks will show up as all-day events on your calendar, giving you a clear overview of what's due and when. One important thing to keep in mind is that this is a one-way sync. Any changes you make in Asana will automatically update in Google Calendar, but if you edit or delete these events in Google Calendar, those changes won't carry back over to Asana. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.